Hey, what up y'all? Nurse David here, and are you guys ready for the big reveal? I finally got that big chandelier hung up. I found someone to do it. Yeah, here it is. From the time that we started looking to this house from moving in, I've constantly been talking about putting some sort of chandelier here. The problem with chandeliers though is that I wanted one that was more long, where typically they're more wide. So finding a long one was a little bit tricky, but after a few years, I finally found one at Lamps Plus, and I think it looks really good. I can't wait to see what it looks like at nighttime. That's when I think it's really gonna shine, but yeah, the cords hanging down are a little bit wrinkled, but with it being in the sun, they'll straighten out in a few days or a week or so. To emphasize this area though, I think down here I kind of want one of those fig trees. Now I found one at Target, but I think I'll take you guys along with me as I go shopping. We'll go around, look at some different stores, and see if I can find maybe a bigger one. I'm at my first stop on the search for the fig tree. I really like this. I love blue velvet, and it's actually on sale for $103, but I don't know where I would put it. This place is so big. They have so much different stuff. I like coming here looking for little pieces, but everything's kind of all over the place, so you have to really look around. Luckily, what we're looking for is green, so that should make this easier. Here's one for a really good price, but it's just not that tall. But I think I have an idea of how I can make it look taller by putting it in a pot other than this one. So that's an option. Here's another one. I think it's a little bit more because the stem down here looks a little bit more real and the leaves look a little bit more real. But I'm actually kind of really liking the other one more. So I'm looking around, and honestly, the one that I was looking at Target was on sale, not on sale, but selling for $130. And that one that I was looking at was only $54. And it's pretty much about the same height. I have an idea on what I can do for the pot, so I think I'm gonna go ahead and grab that one. And then I'll show you what I have in mind for the pot in order to make it taller. Look how fun these are. I did it. I got the tree. It's in here. I wasn't sure if I'd find what I was looking for, and I was very shocked by the price. I only paid $59 where I was expecting to pay $130. So that is awesome. Now we can go looking for a pot, and I'm gonna put some moss on it. And the pot is just gonna make it a little bit more taller for the area that I want it in. And shoot, I might even come back and get a second one. I'll show you the spot that I'm thinking about for the second one. Okay, so I need more of a tall vase, but I'm kind of liking this blue one. They have a lot of different vases here. I had a feeling that they would. Not really vases, but pots. I kind of want to go with a black or a white one, just to be simple. Maybe marble, but I could even do a blue. Now that place was super packed. I tried to get in and out as fast as I could. All the pots were in one place, but I didn't have many pots that were big enough for like exactly what I was looking for. So I went with this basic white one, which is still gonna look super clean in the hallway. And this green is gonna add enough color as it is. So I think it will look really nice. I really wanted this kind of moss, but it's really too bright of a green. And I don't think that would contrast good with the color of the plant. So I'm gonna go with this one right here, which is a little bit more dark, but I feel like it will look a little bit more realistic. That Subway was actually my first job ever. I worked there, I think for like a year and a half, something like that. But I was promoted to shift manager, and I thought I was so cool because I got a shirt that said sandwich artist, shift manager. Okay, I'm back home and I got everything that we need here. We got the tree, which I'm gonna make a tad bit taller. I got the pot, so let me show you how this sits and what I'm gonna be doing. So I want the tree to just be a tad bit taller. And as you can see, I got a bigger pot, and I have probably about an inch or two right here. So I'm gonna put some stuff in it to raise this up to give the illusion that it's taller, even though what I have inside the pot is, I have these weights which have been sitting in my garage forever and I haven't been doing anything with them. I tried a bowl, but that put this too high. So I'm gonna go ahead and, to anybody picking up this pot though, I'll have to warn them that it's rather heavy. But well, I ended up getting this white one for only $20. So altogether, $59, $20, and then I got the moss for only about $5. So much, much cheaper than what I was intending on spending in the first place. I don't have any kids, so I don't have to worry about this falling over, but it is a little unsteady. In here, it will be a little bit more steady, but I think this is gonna be exactly the right height. And I have some bubble wrap that I saved from some old packaging. I'm gonna kind of tuck it in around to keep it stable. But yeah, it's turning out just like I want it to. Don't be eating this moss now, girl. I can already see you putting your face in it. We'll get the moss. And this is much better than that super bright green one that I was looking at. Because that was, don't look at. Yeah, this will look much better next to the leaves on this thing. And I was trying not to have to vacuum, but clearly I'm gonna need a vacuum. Like I said though, this is a great hack for any type of plants, but if you have kids that might be getting into this type of stuff, it can be very messy. I'm trying to be careful and it's already being really messy.